To use icons in Pixellab. Where to find icons. Open Pixellab as sticker button bottom menu. Scroll down, tap icon category. You'll see 1000 plus icons, social logos, arrows, stars, emojis, badges. 2. How to use asterisk. 1. Tap any icon it adds to canvas. 2. Resize like any image. 3. Color. Tap icon color, pick any color. Works on most icons. 4. Stroke. Add outline to make it pop on busy BG. 3. Best use cases asterisk. Social logos. Add WhatsApp/FB/IG logo on posters. Arrows.